Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. So, today is Sunday. For today's vlog, hello mga ka-dreamers. So, today is Sunday. Here is Hyde the Dreamer again. Okay, and I'm here at the bus stop waiting for the bus going to my work. And for today's vlog, guys, I'm just going to share how hardworking Hyde the Dreamer is as an OFW. Okay, so these are one of the sacrifices that the OFW is always willing to sacrifice to fulfill the dreams of our loved ones. So this vlog, guys, is a 1-month challenge, okay, for myself, okay, to save my taxi fare every day going to work. So instead of me taking a taxi or taking a cab, I am taking a bus all the way to my work just to save those taxi fare. Like, I would say a 50 to 60 dirhams a day. Because from this place to my work, it cost me almost 30 dirhams. If it is traffic, it cost me 30 dirhams. But if not, if I am lucky, I would say I spend almost 25 dirhams. Okay, so for this challenge, okay, I might be continuing maybe on winter, because now it's summer. So that's why I call it as a challenge, because during winter I do walk, okay, but this time it's summer. So from the first month of summer, I wanna try if I could manage to walk, okay, under the heat of the sun, and while I'm fasting as well. Can you imagine? Okay, because from the bus stop to my work, okay, from that bus stop to my work, I think it's almost 10 to 15 minutes walk. But then Alhamdulillah, it's been like a week now, I guess, that I am I started walking. But then I just have a time to get a video to start sharing you guys my walking journey, my walking challenge. And you know what, guys, this walking challenge is what is it, a very fulfilling challenge I could overcome, as I am going to give the money that I'm going to save for my mother's wish. Okay, I'm going to add my contribution, okay, for my mother's wish to go for a hat. So can you imagine? Okay, sacrificing for our loved ones. It's not that easy, isn't it? But yeah, pag may paraan, pag kaya mo may paraan, pag gusto mo may paraan, di ba? So lang, di ba? Tiyaga-tiyaga lang. Can you imagine? 50 dirhams to 50 dirhams a day, saving it, multiply it with pesos. So how much that? Yeah, in 1 month. So look at that, guys. It's a nice view, isn't it? So I am waiting for the bus. Okay, so I hope look at the Burj Khalifa behind me. So I think the bus is approaching. Look at Mr. Sun. Look at the Burj Khalifa. Look at that. Hindi ko pa rin na-upload guys yung vlog ko. Walking around the back park. So bus waiting pa lang guys. Medyo mainit-init na. So let me just put my camera here. Yes. Oh, hello guys. This is it. I'm just making sure na nakikita yung ulo ko kasi mahirap magdala ng tripod. So, so guys, I hope guys you support me on this vlog. It's just like if you're supporting me, you're also supporting my mother's wish. I love my mother so much. I'm ready to sacrifice whatever it takes. Okay, kahit pinagpapawisan ako ng sobrang lagkit paglalakad going to school. It's okay. Yeah, and I'm just retouching sometimes. And then makikita niyo sa isang video ko. Okay, because I collected the video, okay, going to school. And then kini-compile ko lang siya para makita niyo ano talaga. Ginagawa ko talaga siya everyday. Makikita niyo doon sometimes sa video ko, nagme-makeup ako sa bus. Diba? Para lang mahabol yung bus, para hindi ma-late. So, ganun. So, happy weekdays everyone. Okay, if you did not subscribe to my channel yet, so huwag kalimutan i-click ang subscribe button and the bell notification para ma-notify kayo sa aking mga susunod na video, para maging updated kayo sa aking vlog. Okay, so enjoy watching, keep on watching. Sometimes take this video, it takes almost 20 to 30 minutes. I hope you guys will support this video at the end. So here we are. The bus is approaching. So ayan na siya. Pasakay na tayo. So dito na ako. Parang puno. And sure that we're going to stop our car. Say to avoid fine. And I think wala nang oh, lucky me. One. Yeah. There we go. So this is the life of sure that that signal stops, turns green before crossing the road, and not look on the right side if the signal also stops, and then cross the road. Ayan. For safety. And then, ito na guys. Maglalakad na tayo from the bus stop. So I'm not going to stop the camera just to check if how many minutes it takes from the bus stop to school. Okay, so minsan ayan si kuya o kasabay ko yan sa naglalakad. Hi kuya! Yan. Kabayan po? No? From where? Nepal. Oh, he's from Nepal. Okay. Yan. So, medyo mahina ang tawag nito. Hindi ganun kabilis ang paglalakad ko ngayon at I'm a bit early. So, the other way that I'm always taking guys is this one. For my other video, you can see that I took this way. Okay? But since I want to show you, okay, I want to show you the other way around that I can take a walk from the bus stop to the school is this one. Okay? It's a nice place. It's greeny, and that one is like mostly houses, residential area. So this one is like their walking area. It is along the highway, and yeah, I'll show you guys. Okay, so just keep on walking, keep walking with me. Okay, and let's have fun, enjoy walking. Inhale, exhale. This is a bagel yard cafe, guys. I used to try their coffee. Okay, it's a European cafe, and it's actually they serve a very yummy dessert. Okay, and it's good here for their coffee. So sometimes if it is not fasting, I think, and they're open from Sunday to Wednesday. Ayan yung time nila. And they serve, ayan, specialty coffee, artisan spread, cake, and soul food. Ayan, soul food, sorry. Yan yung name. The Spread Cafe. And they have written something here. Ramadan Kareem, because it's Ramadan. Ayan. Ito yung mga specialty nila. Ayan, diba? Kaya masarap mag-walking kasi kung ano ang nakikita mo. And I also find out something here guys, where you can buy some carpet. Okay, let's check what they have. Ayan, medyo, ayan, wallpaper, sofa, design it your way. So, let's have a look at inside what they have. Very fancy, but I'm sure it's pricey one. Diba? Ang ganda-ganda niyan. Gusto ko yan bilhin. Someday, ayan, ang dami kong nakikita habang naglalakad, diba? Na it gives me motivation. Okay, it gives me motivation to walk more. Para mag-save, to save money. Yeah, so by the way again, this is Hide the Dreamers Walk for a Cause Challenge. Yeah, so this is, oh, I forgot to show you guys, this is the beauty kitchen ladies salon. Yeah, they also have a flower shop here. It's really nice place. Yeah. And here we are. Enjoy walking. And look at this guys. This walking pathway is so bouncy. Not bouncy much, but like you enjoy walking. You're not gonna feel tired. See? Diba? So greeny. Okay. But then, on the other side, it's more warmer area because it's shaded by the big houses. Look at that. So that's where I'm taking other way from that side. Okay. So, ayan. Lakad-lakad. Lakad-lakad lang tayo. And yeah, I'm so happy. I'm so motivated. I feel so motivated for this challenge, as I'm going to fulfill a dream of my loving mother wish to go for a Hajj. Okay, nakapag-Hajj na din siya, Umrah Hajj before, with me, my husband, and my son. 4 of us together. That was, I think, January 2015, if I'm not forget it. Oh, wait. I want to show you guys. This is something that like motivate me every week, as they are putting some sayings here. They are changing it every week. So for this week, they are just wishing everyone a happy Ramadan. So happy Ramadan for each and every one of you. And wait, as I'm going to show you something again that it's amazing. Okay, and UAE people, okay, aside from being rich, they are making sure that they are sharing their blessings in the little way. Look at this. They are putting some water dispenser, guys, outside. It's a cool one. Water filter. Okay? Automatic, like, pwede kang kumuha ng ayan, inumin, mainit lang. Malamig siya. It's a cold water, guys. Look at that. Drinking cold water, okay? Ang lamig. Diba? So, they're so lucky. Look at the star. So, ayan na, guys. Yan yung... Hello, guys. So, dito tayo nasa kahapon. Hello, guys. So, this is Waitrose. Okay. And sometimes I used to stop here and buy food. But then now it's Ramadan, so I'm not dropping by there for this month. And have a look at this guy. This is really a nice concept of a restaurant. It's actually a restaurant here in Waitrose, where they have that outdoor. This one's really caught my attention. Look at this. They have a fountain. Okay. Where you can even wash your hands, maybe. This is nice. So that's the entrance of the restaurant. Now it's Ramadan, so Definitely it's closed and it's just open for delivery. Look, ang ganda, diba? Hello po. This is so nice. Look. So I'm just giving you a tour all the way to my work site or the school where I'm working. It's a nice place, isn't it? Ang ganda ng mga pot nila. Medyo hinihingal na ako, guys, and it's Ramadan, so I'm fasting, so I'm just walking a little because that's 15 minutes walk from the bus stop to the school. So if you are fasting and also it's summer, so it's a bit hard, guys, but then we need to sacrifice for our family, and this walking is also a part of my daily routine. So I'd rather go take a bath and then from the bus stop to the school. This is what I'm doing every day, walking 15 minutes to make sure that I'm fit and at least, you know, at the tree. Ang ganda, diba? Ang linis ng kalsada. Because it's a bit early in the morning. And I think I'm a bit early today. So the roads are very clean, I would say. Very few cars. And look at that mansion that they're building there. Okay, so make sure that you're walking to the pedestrian lane. Look at all this villa. This is what I amaze here in UAE. Like, wherever there is a residential area or like a village, they always make sure that they have somewhere that kids would play around. It's a very clean and safe area. Yeah, sana magkaroon din tayo ng ganito sa Pilipinas kasi ang lawak ng ano natin. We have a very spacious place in the Philippines, especially in provinces, just like in my town. So inshallah, if God or Allah, Almighty Allah will provide, inshallah, I'll make sure that I'm going to have a huge play area or playground outside my house. And alright guys, this is it. I'm here at Emirates International School, finally. Okay, I think I am the earliest person today. See, wala pang mga sasakyan, so ibig sabihin wala pang mga tao. It's 7 o'clock. So, because the school timing during Ramadan is starts a bit later, like at this school we start at 7:45, so I came a bit early today para hindi ako masyado matraffic, and then para hindi ma-late, and then plus hindi pa ganun kainit. So this is it. Let me take out my Emirates International School. I'm just taking out my ID. Maybe the word not gonna be in without my ID. So thank you guys. I'm here at this school. Magpo-cool down lang ako. Okay. So while I'm cooling down, okay, ang init. Good morning, Miss Paula. I'm good. So, nagpo-cool down lang ako kasi super init talaga. Super init man saka pinagpawisan ako. And then, at least bago pumasok sa AC. So, mag-cool down na. Good morning. So, this is it guys. Thank you for watching. And I hope you guys you enjoy my video today. I just wanted to share you guys my daily routine, and okay. So that's it. Huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe. Okay. And if you do like this video, just smash the button below and click the bell button for you to be notified for my next video. So, and if you do like this video, please do comment below. Okay, and thank you so much guys for watching. Okay, bye. Good morning. Oh no, I forgot to press. Yan yung Waitrose. Yan. So, as I'm telling you a while ago guys, this is Ty the Dreamer Walk for a Cause challenge. Okay, to fulfill my mother's wish to go for a Hajj. Okay, so just support me, walk with me, watch this video. Upon watching this video, you are also supporting me for my mother's wish. Yeah. So we are approaching the school in about 1 minute. You just continue walk with me, enjoy the view. Okay, and remember guys, that if you dream for something, you just need to pray for it, you need to work for it. Okay, because nothing is impossible in God's will. Nothing is impossible. Everything, okay, even every little single dream that you have or you wish for something, okay, you just need to work hard for it. You pray for God, Almighty Allah, that He'll give you guidance, He'll give you a strength to reach your dreams, to fulfill all the dreams that you wish for. Okay, so I hope guys this walking journey of me also give you a challenge, also motivate you, also give you a motivation to strive hard, to work hard. Okay? Because if you sacrifice of something, okay, if you are willing to sacrifice, God, Allah, Almighty God is always listening, guys. He can see, God can see all your effort, all your hard work. But of course, don't forget to pray for it. And have you seen this beautiful car here, guys, that I'm passing by every day? And oh my goodness, that's my dream car, and it motivates me. Okay, it gives me motivation to walk more. Yeah, kasi malay mo, diba, walang imposible sa taong may pangarap. Diba? Ika nga ni Ma'am Aya Tiraste. Okay, ang kahirapan ay hindi hadlang sa ating mga pangarap. Okay? Just like me. Okay, ang hirap sa buhay na pinagdaanan ko ay hindi mai-drawing, guys, kung alam niyo lang. But then, all those experiences, it gives me a strength, it gives me a power to study hard, to finish my education, para matupad ko lahat ng mga pangarap ko at maiahon sa hirap ang aking pamilya. Yung nag-i-emote, iiyak na naman to si Hai. Iyakin kasi ako, guys. Okay, mababaw lang ang luha ko. Okay, so we are approaching the school now. Ayan. Diba? So, ayan. Dahil din sa mga sacrifices ko, okay, napunta ako dito. Sa sacrifices ng mga magulang ko, mga kapatid ko, and whoever, my friends or relatives that become a part of my journey. Okay, I would like to take this opportunity to say thank you for them, for supporting me sa lahat ng aking mga pangarap. Ayan. And then now, it's my time to pay for it. Diba? Ibalik naman sa kanila yung mga sacrifices na binigay nila sa akin, mga tulong. So here I am. We are here at Emirates International School. Okay, finally reached my destination. Okay, so that's my school. So I have to make sure that I'm wearing my ID. Ayan. To make sure. Okay, because it's not allowed to go inside without your ID. Otherwise, they will kick you out. Yeah. They're very strict here. So, yes, this is my workplace, guys. Ayan, hiningal na ako. Hinihingal na ako. Yehey! So, nakarating na din. Ayan. Finally. Ayan, ano muna ako? Tawag nito. Cool down. Cool down muna ako para hindi ako magkasakit. Hello, good morning. Ayan, guys. Papasok na tayo.
Hello guys, so today is Thursday, the last day of the week, and here's your Heist the Dreamer surviving for the challenge. Yeah, that's every day walking all the way to school. A 10 minutes walk every day under the hotness of that Mr. Sun. Yeah. So ayan uli yung Waitrose. Yeah. So gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo guys. Okay, so I'm wearing my red blouse today. Ayan. It's a clip lang to guys. Hindi na ako nag-start from that dulo. Hindi ko nakadala yung camera ko. So I'm just using my phone. Okay, ganda pagmasdan. Sa mga halaman, kapit lang natin uwita, diba? May boses ako, yun nga lang, hanggang boses lang. Lumilipas ang panahon, mga panahon ng pagkakataon. Babalik pa ang panahon. Sing along with me guys. Tayo naglalakad. And then today na-burn na naman ako. Na-burn na naman yung kinain ko kaninang madaling araw, diba? Ano nga lang ang kinain ko eh. 1 cup of milk, 2 dates, and I also ate 2 slices of pizza. Yung natira namin kagabi for our iftar. And guys, may papakita ako sa inyo. This cooker here beside me is my dream car. Ayan, diba? Dream car ko yan. Ang ganda, diba? Super ganda. But then, again, kapag may pangarap ka, you always strive for it para makuha mo yun. Nothing is impossible sa kay Allah, kay God. Diba? Lahat walang imposible pag tatrabahuan mo. Inshallah, soon papakita ko na sa inyo ang aking car. Tatrabahuan mo. Inshallah, soon papakita ko na sa inyo ang aking car. Diba? Malay mo, ang maipon ko dito sa paglalakmat ko, 20 dirhams every day. Diba? Oh, walang imposible. Can you imagine? 20 dirhams times 1 year. O ilang days ang 1 year. Mahina ako sa math, guys. So, 20 dirhams times 360 days. Wow! Oh, no. I-minus natin yung weekend. Diba? I-minus natin ang 2 days. Weekend. Oh. Can you imagine? Oh, no. Magiging 40 dirhams pala siya kasi two-way. Diba? Wow! 40 dirhams times, I would say, 300 days. Pag i-minus natin siguro yung weekend, diba? My God! Walang imposible yun. Mamaya, kasi last day of natin ngayong week, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang pagpasok ko ng 200 dirhams sa coin bank ko. Okay? So, magkakaalaman na ngayon. Diba? So, ayan. Ayan. na. Dumating na uli ako. Walang hassle. So, that's it for today, guys. So, ito yung last video natin for this challenge. Kasi gusto ko lang talaga ipakita sa inyo kung paano ako pumapasok, ganon. And what's the life of OFW commuters in UAE. Diba? Hindi na nga lang ako nag-ano eh. Hindi na ako nagme-metro. I'm just taking a bus from home. Kasi mas ano siya, mas malapit. So yun. So guys, thank you for watching. And I hope guys, na-motivate ko kayo, na-challenge ko kayo, na-enjoy ko kayo. Okay? And please, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa channel ko, huwag naman kalimutang mag-subscribe. Please. Diba? And if you like this video, if you motivated on my video, please do like and comment below. Alright, bye!
guys. Oh my God, sa init ng panahon.